I'm here today where I've had the pleasure of meeting a range of students and learners who currently benefit from EMA.
Felly mae EMA yn rhywbeth mae disgyblion yn gallu derbyn ac mae'n 40 punt yr wythnos.
Yeah, I think if I didn't have EMA, I would have still come back to school, but it would have been a lot more difficult and a lot more stressful for my family. But by having EMA, it sort of reduced the stress and allowed me to properly make the most of my A-levels.
It's just sort of the standard stuff, like the textbooks, the stationery, the notebooks, because you'll go, oh, I'm going to go buy stationery today. And then you get everything you need. It ends up being like, what, 20 quid?
Definitely with trips, as well as some competitions, like this one writing competition that I've entered, had a pretty hefty entrance fee, and EMA was able to cover that, which was perfect for me.
Dwi wedi bod yn arfer gwersi gyrru, ac mae hanner o fe yn mynd yn y banc am hynny, wedyn mae hanner o fe yn mynd i'r tŷ os fel mae mam angen arian I prynu pethau.
And newly eligible students will be able to apply from today.